Thutha wa thiku 90 Kamitii ya gibururi ya miario wa uiguano iria yamabikirwo kuiguanira mwaho wa azimio la umoja na wa Kenya kwanza nirikitie kurekereria riboti ya maria maiguanire makihuni kuri bururi kuminengerana kuri mutongoria wa azimio Raila Odinga odamwe na mutongoria wa bururi Daktari Ruto.
25th day of November 2023, the National Dialogue Committee, established through a parliamentary process of the people's representation, is proud people of the Republic of Kenya. The Nadco 2023 report.
Thogora wa mutumire mungu gutitia Kenya igina njira nene makirira ni nyongerera ya igotiria maguta magicunje kia 8 guthii kia 16 nderetini ya watho wa kigina ya mwaka wa 2022 riu ari na undu wa gukenerera kuona Kamitii ino ni raiguanire gucokia igoti gicunje kia 8 igotiria waki wa nyumba cia raithi wa gicunje kia 1.5 na kigetenirio ripoti ya Kamitii ino.
On fuel from 16% to 8%, and scrapping the housing levy. These twin issues are contained in the Finance Act.
Kalonzo Musyoka wa kiama kia Wiper uria urathomire ndomiriri ino niekirite mukode ati ni maiguanire hari aruti othe a wira thirikari-ini ya Kenya kwanza kuithia mahuthiro mao ma thabari cia nanja na gicunje kia 50 guku naruo ruhonge rwa uramati wa mishara kiambika guthurima werũ marihi ma njoherera itemi-ini ria kumaguithia nginyagia gicunje kia 30 nigetha gutigirira ati ni manyihia wanangiku wa mbeca cia muingi.
NADCO recommends that all arms of government shall reduce their travel budgets by 50%.
Kamitii ino no iguanire guthurimwo kwa mutaratara wa githurano kia mwaka wa 2022 alini undu umwe na kumbwo werũ wa Kamitii ya ithurano na mihakanio IEBC alini kumongerera maabitha kuma maabitha 7 aria mariho ti maabitha 9 nako kahinda ga guthikiriria cira wa gutetia maumirira mao president thiini wa igoti nene ria guku bururi-ini kiongererwo kuma thiku 14 guthii nginya thiku 21.
C. Time for resolution of presidential election petitions. NADCO recommends the increase of timelines within which the Supreme Court shall hear and determine a petition challenging the validity of a presidential election from 14 days to 21 days.
Muthia mbunge ya gibururi ni thukiirwo wira wa guthurima undu umwe na kugarura icunji cia gatiba ka mwaka wa 2010 igwa kuhura njeki ugayanio wa mahinya gwa gutirira ati counties ciamukira gicunji gitakunyihira 20 kuma hari kiria mamukagira kia 15.
The equitable share to the county governments not to be less than 20% of all revenue collected by the national government from the current 15%.
Ma tabete kiriero hanini dwa ikorogi